Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine and Norway launch joint drone production program with first deliveries expected this summer. Ukraine and Norway have launched their first joint production program for Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles, with several thousand medium-range strike drones set to be manufactured in Norway for delivery to Ukrainian forces. Under the agreement, all drones produced through the program will be supplied to the defense forces of Ukraine. The project will be financed by Norway through additional funding provided on top of the $7 billion already allocated for Ukrainian defense support in 2026. The agreement was signed in Kiev by Lars Ragnar Alerud Hansen and Sergei Boyev. Ukrainian officials said the deal would help expand production of battlefield-tested drone technologies while strengthening the defense capabilities of both countries. Norway also plans to allocate more than $1.5 billion this year for the procurement of Ukrainian-made weapons for Ukraine's armed forces. The funding is intended to expand Kiev's access to domestically developed military systems. I would like to thank Norway for its systematic support and for focusing on the capabilities that Ukraine critically needs, said Mikhailo Fedorov. Joint production projects and guaranteed baseline drone supply for brigades directly strengthen our forces on the battlefield. Norway gains the opportunity to produce technologies that have proven effective, while Ukraine receives the drones needed to seize the initiative on the battlefield. This is a true win-win partnership, Fedorov added. The first drones produced in Norway are expected to be delivered to Ukrainian forces as early as this summer. The agreement also includes broader industrial cooperation and joint research activities. Supporting Ukraine's fight to defend itself is the most important thing we are doing for Norway's security, said Tor O. Sandvik. This is a cooperation that benefits both countries, Sandvik added. It is an important and tangible step towards deeper Norwegian-Ukrainian cooperation, strengthening Norway's defense industry while enabling Ukraine to produce drones in a secure environment in Norway. Sandvik said experience gained through the program would help Norway expand its production capacity in a strategically important sector. Ukraine's defense ministry described technological and industrial cooperation with international partners as one of its key priorities. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.